Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to video 2 for the LSP Little Love Stool digital background shot by Anna. In the first video, we really went through step by step of how to open up, exploring this digital and how to add this baby image in. This is the baby image we work with in video 1. So if you're a beginner and you're new to using digital backgrounds, please do watch video 1. In this video, I'm going to add another baby and I'm going to move a little bit faster. So if you have any questions at all, please do watch video 1 where I move a little bit slower. So let's get started. I'm just going to get rid of this layer now, this baby we added in the first one. So we have a clean slate to add a new baby image. So as in video 1, I'm going to use the LSP digital background actions to place baby in, but if you're not using these actions, you can come up into File, Place Embedded and locate your pre-edited baby image on your computer to place it in. Now let's go something different. This is the image we used in the first video. I'm going to go for this one here, shot by Anna. You'll see this baby is obviously in a darker crate on the pink curls with a cushion. I'm going to keep this cushion in, I think, to the edit. It'll be a lot easier than trying to cut round baby here. Because baby's on pink curls, I'm going to use this pink curls drape layer here. Baby's on a white background, so that's going to make cutting out the top side of baby a lot easier. Make sure the light is coming from the left in your image. If not, right click and flip horizontal. Now the actions already add a black layer mask to your resized image. If you're not using the actions, you can add a layer mask by coming down here and clicking on the layer mask icon. Hold down Ctrl or Command I to invert to black. I'm going to zoom in, use a brush on white, 100% opacity, medium flow. Make sure your brush is a little hard and start painting your baby in. You don't have to be perfectly precious about the edges to begin with. Just make sure all of baby is selected and then you can switch to a black brush and start painting away, getting nice and close. In the first video I showed you how to use the select subject option in Photoshop CC. This is just another way of adding baby in. As with everything in Photoshop, there are 100 ways you can get the same result. It's about knowing which ones to use, which options to use depending on your image. So for this one I am masking in. And when you've got your base selection, you can use a black brush to start masking away any way you don't want to show. So once you've made your rough selection, you're going to need to turn on the background layer you want to show. So I'm going to turn the pink curls on here. And I've left the cushion in because I think that's going to be a lot better than trying to edit around here, and it means baby is in a more natural position. At this point you can resize and tweak and move your image if you want to, just to make sure it fits perfectly. So I think I'm going to pop her about there. Now with a softer brush, I right click and pull the hardness down, changing from black to white if needed. I'm just going to merge this image in with the digital. Now, these curls are a really good match, but you can always tweak and change the colour in the digital or in the original here, just to match up. So now all I want to do is add a little bit of shadowing around this cushion, and I think we're done with this one. I may bring up the brightness around this area of baby's head too. I'm going to use the digital background Photoshop actions. These are available on the LSP website. They do not come with this digital. And I'm going to use the lift and lighten option. If you're not using the actions, you can click down here on the adjustments and add a levels or a curves layer for brightness and just bring those midtones up. Control or Command I to mask, makes it go black, and use a white brush to make it show. So I'm just using that to lift up some of these darker shadows. You can see there before and after. So thank you for watching video 2 for the Little Love Stool digital background shot by Anna. Please do watch video 3 for another edit if you want to, or if you need to go back, do watch video 1 for the more in-depth edit. I'm Lauren, thank you for watching. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.